Hello and welcome my YouTube channel Rapid Hub here. We get information of how to make money, so please like and subscribe my channel to motivate me. So let's start the video. Today topic, how to take control of your money. What if I told you that most people will spend their entire lives working only to end up broke? Sounds terrifying, right? Yet, that's exactly what happens when you don't take control of your money. Look, money isn't just about numbers. It's about freedom. The freedom to live life on your own terms. The freedom to say yes to what you want and no to what you don't. But right now, if you're feeling stuck, if you're watching your bank account drain faster than your morning coffee, you're not alone. The good news? You can change that, starting today. Stick with me till the end of this video, and I'll show you exactly how to take control of your money before it starts controlling you. We live in a world designed to keep you broke. Think about it. Your phone is a shopping mall in your pocket. Social media bombards you with ads, convincing you that your life is incomplete without the latest sneakers, gadgets, or that overpriced latte you didn't even need. Before you even see your paycheck, your money is already spent. Now, let's get real for a second. Do you ever feel like money just disappears? Like you work hard, get paid, and poof, your bank account is gasping for air by the end of the month? Here's the problem. Most people don't track their money. And if you don't track it, you can't control it. It's like driving a car blindfolded and wondering why you keep crashing. But don't worry, I'm not here to guilt trip you. I'm here to show you how to flip the script. Here's where things get exciting. Want to know the first step to financial control? It's awareness. Start tracking every dollar. And no, I'm not saying you need to live like a monk and count every penny. Just know where your money's going. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple Google Sheet. Because when you see your spending, you finally start making intentional choices instead of mindless ones. And here's the real kicker. If you can control your spending, you can control your future. Now, let's talk about a power move that separates the rich from the broke. The secret? Pay yourself first. Before you spend a dime on anything else, set aside money for your future. Rich people don't save what's left after spending. They spend what's left after saving. Set up automatic transfers, whether it's to a high-yield savings account, an investment portfolio, or even an emergency fund. Because here's the truth. If you don't make saving a priority, it'll never happen. Life will always throw unexpected expenses your way. Your car breaks down, your phone dies. A friend convinces you to go on a last-minute trip to Vegas. Bad idea, by the way. But when you pay yourself first, you build real wealth. And real wealth gives you options. There's another silent money killer, small expenses. You might think, it's just a $5 coffee or it's just a $20 subscription. But when you add it all up over time, you're throwing away thousands of dollars a year. Imagine if you took that money and invested it instead. Just $5 a day can turn into over $100,000 in 20 years if invested wisely. Think about it. Would you rather have 1,000 lattes or an extra $100,000 in your account? And let's be honest, would you even remember those lattes 10 years from now? Probably not. But you will remember the financial freedom that extra money gives you. Small decisions today create your future reality. At the end of the day, money isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset. Rich people think long-term. They understand that every dollar they spend today is either making them richer or keeping them stuck. So here's your challenge. Start thinking like an investor. Every dollar you earn has a job. Will it work for you or disappear? Wealth isn't built overnight. But with the right mindset, the right habits, and the right strategy, you'll be shocked at how quickly things start to change. Remember, money is a tool. You either learn how to use it wisely, or someone else will use it against you. Taking control of your money isn't about luck. It's about strategy. And if you follow what I've shared today, you'll already be miles ahead of the average person. But here's where things get really exciting. If you want to build wealth faster, you need to understand the power of compounding. And trust me, once you do, it'll change the way you see money forever. Click the video on the screen now to learn how compounding can turn even small amounts into life-changing wealth. See you there.